Clark Dietrich in Northwest Miami, the largest steel framing products manufacturer in the United States. They build framing products to construct walls. So if you have office buildings, commercial, industrial, malls, residential, chances are it's a steel erection project. You're going to be using a Clark Dietrich frame. And they've called Pedowitz machinery movers to help them get 2 Minster 5 punch presses from one side of their facility to the other. Let's see how the guys do it. Interesting fact, sometimes the manufacturer will actually call us and give us special instructions on how to handle, in this case, these Minster 5 punch presses. We have to bring a boom with us in order to lift the machines off the truck vertically and then get them onto the ground so they could be moved. Both Minster 5 punch presses are now in place here at Clark Dietrich in Northwest Miami, the largest structural framing products manufacturer in the United States. And they called Pedowitz machinery movers, and so should you, at 954-973-9737, or look us up on the web at pedowitzmachinerymovers.com.